Hello YouTubers, today I'll be talking about the original Angry Birds. I know it has been out for an extremely long time, but I decided I'll do a video about it. So as soon as it loads up, it'll look something like this, and you've got 6 levels, and also the golden egg level. And in those 6 levels are 3 other levels, or 2. 3 or 2 other levels, and 17 levels in those 6 levels altogether, and the 17th level is coming soon. Okay, and as soon as you get into the first level, you'll see the first level, you understand me, the mini levels, and you click on the first one, and it'll be a story, and it's about the birds before they got angry. And the first bird to get angry was this little yellow triangular one, when they found out that the pigs have been stealing the eggs. So first, this is the first level, and you can fling back by here, and the objective of the game is to kill the pig, destroy as much as possible, and to use as least amount of birds as possible. And also you can zoom in and out. I like zooming out because then you can see what you're doing. That's all I like about it. And let's show you more about this. Like I said, you've got these 6 levels. Also, you can get the Angry Bird stuffed toys. You can get the Angry Bird seasons. You can sign up for the Angry Bird newsletter. Simple as. Can't say much about it. The golden eggs. After you do certain levels, you will get the golden eggs. They are extremely easy. They're easier than the Angry Bird game. Okay, that's the original Angry Birds. I will do more Angry Bird games later in the week.